Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something powerful. Big dreams are not achieved by giant leaps. They are achieved by small, consistent steps. In our world today, we are addicted to speed. We want overnight success, instant money, instant recognition, instant results. We look at the millionaire, the champion, the famous author, the viral star, and we think, wow, they got lucky. But behind every success story is not luck. It is years of unseen, boring, daily small steps. Think about a seed. The tallest oak tree you see today, the one that stands unshakable against storms, was once so small you could hold it between your fingers. Nobody clapped for the seed. Nobody celebrated when it was planted. In fact, for a long time, it was invisible, underground, in darkness. But day after day, with water, sunlight, and time, it grew. That is the story of every dream. It begins small, it grows quietly, and then one day, it becomes unstoppable. Take Thomas Edison, the man who gave light to the world. Everyone remembers him for inventing the light bulb, but do you know how many times he failed? Over 1,000 times. Imagine failing 1,000 times. Most of us give up after 5, 10, maybe 20 tries. But Edison said, "I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work." Every failure was a small step toward his big dream. Take J.K. Rowling. Today, Harry Potter is a global story, but when she began, she was a struggling single mother, broke and rejected by publishers. She didn't write 7 books in a night. She wrote 1 page at a time, 1 paragraph at a time. 1 small step each day created the world's biggest book franchise. Or think about Elon Musk. His dream is to colonize Mars. That sounds impossible, doesn't it? But how did he begin? Not with rockets. He began with small steps, reading books, learning physics, experimenting with small projects. And today, SpaceX is launching rockets into space, step by step, moving closer to that giant dream. Friends, here's the secret. Small steps don't look exciting. Going to the gym once won't give you abs. Reading 1 page won't make you a genius. Saving $1 won't make you rich. That's why most people quit, because small steps look too small to matter. But success is invisible at first. Champions are built in empty gyms when nobody's watching. Millionaires are built in late nights of hard work when nobody claps. Legends are built in silence, in the boring daily steps no one celebrates. So the question is, what's your dream? Do you want to start a business? Do you want to change your health? Do you want to inspire people? Whatever your dream is, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for applause. Don't wait for permission. Just take the first step. Write 1 page. Save $1. Practice for 10 minutes. Because when you do it again tomorrow, and the next day, and the next, those small steps will compound into something incredible. One day, people will look at your life and say, "Wow, you're so lucky. You're so talented. You're an overnight success." And you'll smile, because you'll know the truth. It wasn't luck. It wasn't overnight. It was small steps every single day that created your big dream. So remember this, small steps build momentum. Momentum builds habits. Habits shape your character, and character builds your destiny. Take your step today, because small steps, my friends, create big dreams. And big dreams create a life worth living.